Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will mark the short question answer of chapter number 10 solution and colloids on page number 240. Question number 2, 3, 4 are included. Question number 5 and 6 are not included. 7 is also included. 8, 9, 10 are not included. 11, 13 and 17 are included. 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16 are not included. Question number 17, part C, E, F, G, H are also included. 18, 19, 20, 21 are included, and 22 and 23 are not included. So this was the exercise of chapter number 10, solution and colloids. I hope you all like it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.